Samik Tech challenge for the new value of tomorrow by integrating the passion for the best and the technology of pursuing perfection. We create the new future in company with our clients. Samik Tech Corporation Limited, the global leader of a machine tool industry. Samik Tech, a specialized company in producing peripheral devices and components of machine tools, provides high-quality products to foreign and domestic machine tool manufacturers. Samik Tech has established a state-of-the-art system in order to meet the customer's full satisfaction based on their accumulated knowledge and experience, accompanied with aggressive and drastic investment on R&D business, which is the core future strategy of the corporation by developing not only wireless communication, high-gravity carriage robots, and automated transport devices, but also drying and heating systems which utilize dispersing microwaves. Our history. Under the founding principles of value creation, Samik Tech, which has been showing continuous growth in the field of peripheral devices of machine tools, had separated from Samik Precision Industries Corporation Limited on August 1999, was designated as a promising SME for imports in 2001, had acquired ISO 9001 quality certification in 2002, had achieved CE certification and venture business certification with establishing a research institute in 2005, had achieved ISO 140001 Environment Management System certification and InnoBiz business certification in 2006, had acquired single PPM certification in 2007, was designated as a star business by the city of Daegu in 2011, and had acquired main biz certification and other various certifications in 2013. Samik Tech will go beyond this and will not stop its efforts to become a global corporation through developing new markets and enhancing export capacity by procuring business competitiveness and continuous R&D while nurturing manpower and reinforcement of management innovation. A.T.C. Automated Tool Changers, Ring Type A.T.C. It enables realizing space-saving A.T.C. by effective arrangement of tool changer units, which utilize the hollow wall of ring magazine and effective arrangement for automatic tool changers inside the machine tools. Horizontal Type A.T.C. Matrix Type A.T.C. A.P.C. Automatic Pallet Changers. NHM 50, 63, 80 A.P.C. HM 1000 A.P.C. MVS Cross A.P.C. Other peripheral devices. Index table. A.A.C. Automatic attachment changers. A.T.T. rack. Attachment rack. Core machine.